So this is how you can join or create a guild on Discord. Now, I do have to warn you, it is no longer available for new users to be able to use guilds. But if you are an old user and you've been using Discord for quite a while, then you may have the chance to be able to create one. As you can see, this is the actual Discord support website, so everything here is valid, like it's real. So as you can see, it says Guilds was an experimental feature, available to a limited number of users. And at this time, we've closed out the Guilds experiment and this feature is no longer available. So if you're a new user, then you won't be able to do this. But basically, what are guilds? Well, guilds are, a small server where people can play games together, collaborate, compete, and hang out. Basically, it's just, a server, but something more special. And how do you create these guilds? Well, you can create them by scratch, or creating a brand new server, or converting your current server into a guild. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. If you have this option right here, as you can see, it says exclusive invite, then you will be able to create a guild. If you don't, and if you don't see it, then unfortunately there is no way right now because, as they said, it was experimental and it is now closed. So yeah, look out if you see a notification like that, then you can turn your server into a guild. If not, then I'm truly sorry, then you would have to wait for the next update in order to be able to do this possibly. And also, once you create a guild, you're gonna want to choose a game that your guild is about. For example, Valorant. If your guild is about Valorant